Hello, dear Sagittarius. A very good morning to you guys. How are you guys doing? So, this is a general love reading from 11th of May till 21st of May, or you can say mid May. Okay. So, I'll tap into your partner's energy, your energy, their feelings for you, what they want from you, and what to expect from this person till 21st of May, and one card from the Love Oracle deck. So, keep in mind these are general readings. It might or might not resonate with you. Okay. One card slipped like that. So your partner's current energy is the Five of Cups. Missing you a lot. Sagittarius, I can feel that this person is grieving your loss. They are missing you a lot. Might be you guys are separated and might be you guys are at a distance right now. But basically this person is missing you a lot and they are feeling lost without you. They are feeling they have lost a gem or they have lost the love of their life. Let's clarify. Five of Cups, missing you very deeply. This card also states me that they want to have a reconciliation. Okay, let's clarify. Page of Cups, the Star, and the Three of Swords. Yes, this person. Okay, so I feel like this person just started to have new feelings for you. They are developing new feelings for you, and they are very hopeful about this connection. Might be they were very hopeful about this connection, that this connection is going to be fine, everything is going to be fine, the healing will be done. But somewhere deep down, it hurted them. It broke their heart, or you broke their heart, or something happened in the past or in the recent past that completely shattered them, that completely made them heartbroken. They're feeling heartbroken over you, and this particular situation made make them feel like hell. They are feeling like hell. They are missing you. They are grieving your loss. This is a sad energy that they are carrying right now for you. Okay, let's see what your current energy is, Sagittarius. Very heartbroken over you and very sad, missing you. Let's see what your current energy is, Sagittarius. Your current energy is the Knight of Wands. You are just very passionate about something in your life. Okay, you are feeling very passionate about something, very physically attracted towards something. It might also be a goal that you are passionate about. It might also be a person that you are passionate about, or it could be the particular person that you are dealing with, and you are getting very physically attracted towards this person. You are feeling a pull towards this person, but it is kind of non-committal energy. You are not in this zone of committing to this particular connection, whomsoever you are thinking about right now. Okay, let's clarify the Knight of Wands further. Let's clarify the Knight of Wands. Mhm. The Hierophant, Five of Cups, and the King of Wands. Yeah, I feel like, yes, I feel like in the recent past, you were trying to commit to this person, or you were trying to have a long-term relationship with this particular person, but that didn't work out. Okay, but and you were also missing them. You are also missing them big time, and you are very passionate about this person. You are clear about your intention. You are wearing like your heart on your sleeves, and you are going towards them. You're going towards them, and you are telling them that you are feeling very intense and passionate feelings for them. Okay, so basically you want to give them proposal, you want to tell them that you want them in your life. Okay, might be in the past you tried to commit to them, or you tried to have a commitment with them, but that didn't work out. And I feel like you both the people are mirroring each other right now, but they are not taking any kind of step. I feel like they are right now in the missing zone, and you are going towards them and talking to them because you are feeling very passionate about them, Sagittarius. This is your current energy, or at least you want to go towards them, and you want to tell them how passionate you are about them, how your feelings are running high for them. Okay, that is your current energy. I don't feel cups in this energy, although they are developing new feelings for you, but you are more passionate than loving. Okay, can are you getting me? This is not emotional energy. That is this is a physical energy that is making you feel attracted towards them as of now. Okay, let's see what they feel for you, Sagittarius. Their feelings for you right now, their feelings for you right now are Page of Pentacles. Okay, they feel like they feel like there should be another chance, there should be another way of connecting with you again. They feel like offering you something. They feel like offering might be a friendship offer to you, because the page energy is immature energy. They feel like there should be a start all over again, and it could also be related to a project or something that you guys were doing together in the past. Now they are feeling like to start this connection or to start this project all over again. So let's clarify the page of pentacles and their feelings. The Tower, the Two of Cups, and the Queen of Pentacles. Yes, I feel like this relationship broke up in the past, or this connection was not working out in the past. And now they are feeling like there should be a brand new start to this connection, because they are feeling the soulmate connection with you. They feel like you are their soulmate, and they want to offer you something very, very beautiful. From the Page of Pentacles, this is going towards Queen of Pentacles. So they will start as a friend, might be. They will just start as a hi, as a simple hi and hello, and finally they will open up and they will tell you, they will tell you that their feelings for you right now are to commit to you, okay, because they feel like you are their soulmate. Or it could also be possible that they just had a sudden realization that this connection is very deep, that you are their soulmate, and they want to offer, they feel like offering you a solid committed or relationship. This is what is coming towards you, might be. Let's see, these are their feelings. I don't know whether they're coming to you or not till now. What they want from this connection, what they want from this connection is Five of Pentacles. I feel like you left them in the cold, or they left you in the cold, okay? Or might be you guys were not talking to each other, and one person left the other person without saying anything. So I feel like this person wants to come out of this zone. This person wants you to come out of this zone, or they want themselves to come out of this zone and talk to you. Five of Pentacles. They want to come out of this sad zone, miserable zone, where they are feeling like hell. Okay, let's clarify the Five of Pentacles further. Seven of Cups, Queen of Cups, and the Five of Pentacles again. See, one person walked away from the other person. That is for sure. Okay, they want you to come out of this confusing state. They want you to realize that how much you love them, or how much this connection means to both of you. And after this realization, they want to come. They want you to come out of this miserable zone, this lost zone, this cold and detached zone. They want you to go towards them and talk to them regarding your feelings, because they feel like you also have feelings for them, and I can see that you also feel for them. They are emotionally very, very attached to you, and you are physically very, very attached to this particular person. This is what is happening, Sagittarius. To be very honest, I feel like you are more you are very, very passionate about this person. I can see that you want to have a long term committed relationship with this person. I can see that as well. But I feel like you are not that much emotionally involved with this particular person as they are. Okay. Let's see what to expect from this person till 21st of May. What to expect from this person till 21st of May. The Tower, sudden realization. Might be a breakup again. Okay, might be you guys talk to each other and you decide to part your ways. Might be you guys feel like no, this is not the right time. Let's clarify the Tower further. It will give you more insight. Why is the Tower here? Two of Pentacles, the World, and the Seven of Pentacles. I feel like this person is very, very confused about this completion, and they are waiting on you. I feel like this person is very, very confused whether to reach out to you or not, whether to talk to you or not. This is completion. This is a completion of a cycle. So I feel like this person is confused whether this relationship is over, or there is still any chance to have this connection all over again, and they are waiting on you. They are waiting on you to come towards them, to go towards them and talk to them. Okay, so I feel like this person is feeling there's nothing left in this relationship. Or it could also mean that they have sudden realization that they are in confusing state about this particular connection. Whether this connection is over or not, they don't know. Actually, they don't know. They don't feel like this is over, and they're waiting on you to go towards them and talk to them. This is what is happening. They're completely shattered, completely heartbroken. They feel the soulmate connection with you. You also feel like there should be a committed relationship with this particular person. There should be something deeper with this particular person. But I see that you are going towards them. Yes, this is your energy, and they are waiting on you to, go towards them and talk to them, to start this connection all over again. Lots of tower, lots of five of cups. Yeah. So let's pull one card from the oracle deck for you guys, Sagittarius. See what is happening. Sunglasses, watching, looking, stalking, perception, focusing out. So you might be watching over this person, you might be looking for this person, and you are waiting on this person maybe to come towards you, but they are waiting on you to go towards them, and I can feel it that you are going towards them till 21st of May. And if you go towards them, if you're going towards them, this is going to work out eventually. Don't worry, okay, Sagittarius. If you feel like you should go towards this person and give this relationship a second chance, just go for it. It is going to be good for you. For the time being, it is going to be a little hurtful for both the parties, but eventually things will heal. So thank you for so much for tuning in, and this is Anjali Tarot. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Namaste.